the deal. We were just drinking root beer and watching Grandma can beets. You know, she was doing
we do that a lot at our house,
and a bottle broke, and the next thing you know, I've got this big plate of glass. Broken, come down here, and the camera will follow us. Take a look at this. These are broken beer bottles.
Real glass.
Yeah, absolutely. And careful when you're touching it that way. There's probably 50 to 75 bottles that are there that are.
Oh, no
But
kidding.
it's not this fake stuff. It's
no,
the real broken glass.
That's real glass.
And you have to look at the viewers right now and say, do not do this at home, right?
No.
This is not, you don't. This is just here.
My mom's freaking out right now. By the way.
She's
I'm
fine.
Sure she is.
So here's what you're going to do.
Okay.
Now comes the fun part: is that you with this beautiful.
I saw this at the circus on Saturday. By the way.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah. I told my kids. I said I'm going to do this on Monday.
Hold on a second. I've never done it before, and I checked the internet before I did this, and it says, okay, get the person to walk on the glass. Okay, good.
Your instructions
so,
there.
yes,
Oh, that makes
perfect.
me feel good,
All right,
Steve.
so we're set.
Excellent.
All right, so
Okay.
now I'm going to hold your hand. Now here's what you're going to do. You literally are just going to walk on the glass. I'll tell you how it works later, but you got to walk on the glass.
So I'm just walking across the glass.
Ready?
Am I going to get cut?
Just play. I got a Band-Aid.
Okay,
Come on.
seriously.
All right, so here you go. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, listen to this. Is that great? Now I'm going to get down a little closer here. Now walk back and forth. It's okay.
I'm supposed to walk back and forth.
There you go. There you go. Now
All
turn
right.
around and face the camera. There.
Okay.
Listen to that crunching.
And it's not cutting me.
Are you hurting at all?
No, I'm not hurting at
all. Not at
Well,
all.
It's a little. I mean, you feel little stabbings, but it's not.
It's there. Okay, now step to the back.
Okay.
Now one of the secrets,
Out?
believe it or not, is this. Yes.
Am I coming
so
out?
I'm
Okay.
going to do this now. Stand. And I rub your feet like this, so
Oh,
we get
I
all
like
the pieces
that. Yeah,
off.
can you get me some new polish
And this
too?
one
Okay,
here as well.
excellent. Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Ta-da!
Wow,
Okay, so
I'm
here's the
impressed.
secret.
Okay, what
so
is
the
it?
secret is this. First of all, the glass wasn't freshly cut. I didn't break this yesterday. I've had this
Okay.
broken glass for a long time. So come back down here
All
and
right.
look. I've carried this around for a long time. The edges have been tumbled. So while they're sharp, they're not super sharp. And to demonstrate that, here, watch this. So here's the balloon. So a clear balloon. So if they were really, really sharp edges, when you touch the balloon, it would just pop.
Right.
And look at this as we roll it over. Look.
It doesn't pop.
See nothing at all.
Oh.
Number two, this is like the bed of nails. And so in that, if you step on one nail, you ruin the weekend. But you step on a whole bunch of nails, you distribute your weight. So while you're stepping on sharp glass, see how it's moving? With your hand,
Yeah.
try it. When you're doing it. So the hardest part is to
You're not
make
gonna
it
cut
look
yourself.
hard.
Yeah.
So believe it or not, the motivational speakers and the gypsy or whatever it
And
might
like we
be,
saw at the
they have-
circus.
It's exactly right.
Yeah.
And then what do they do at the circus? They light it on fire.
Yeah, he did.
That's later on for
Are we
you.
gonna do
All right?
that?
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
not in here because they have a little regulation in the studio.
Oh, that's
but you
right.
have to make it
Darn.
look hard,
Yeah.
and it's not really hard at all
No,
as you
I'm
move it
impressed,
around.
Steve.
So
Thank you.
it's just a classic out of there. Now
And
this
my
time
mother
hop back
thanks you
in here
also.
again,
Okay,
and this
all
time
right.
you can give me a jump. Ready? And then you tell them about the
Jump?
website. Yeah,
Are you
just
kidding?
give me just jump.
Okay.
Ready? Just
All
give me
right,
a
you
jump.
want to find out more about this?
Yes,
And these other
isn't that
experiments,
great?
Kyle's freaking out. Log on to the Morning Show webpage at 90s.com. We'll be right back. Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Okay,
It
not too
looks-
bad.
lifts
yeah.
hard, doesn't
I'm
it?
impressed. I'm
There we go.
impressed, Steve.
There we
Thank
go.
you. All right.